Christmas tide on high, in the morning no magic light. Christmas tide on high.
Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys something completely, well, not completely different because I was cooking before on this channel, but I'm going to show you a quick, easy comfort food that your whole family will enjoy and they will like, and it's super yummy. If you haven't noticed by the title or this thumbnail, it's definitely the KFC famous bowl, which is one of my favorites. But sometimes I don't trust KFC like chicken, so I would prefer to make my own chicken. So I'm going to show you guys how you can make the KFC famous bowl, and literally this is probably like a 20-minute meal. So if you like this video, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Okay, so to make the meal, you're going to start off with some popcorn chicken. This is the Good and Gather, no antibiotics, no hormone added chicken. It's not steroid chicken, popcorn chicken. So it looks like this. We're gonna start off with them already cooked and it's breaded. What I like to do is I like to season it some more. So this is just regular onion powder. As you know, it's not gonna have flavor. We're gonna do some what is this, chicken seasoning, maple. This is optional, you really don't need it, but I like to play around with taste. And you're just gonna get it all, a little oil, all in here. Okay, so we got our oil basically preheated, and what you're gonna do now is you're gonna drop the breaded chicken inside of the oil. So don't worry about putting flour or anything, because this chicken was already breaded and it's pre-cooked. It's already done for you. So I'm just gonna drop the pieces in the oil and just cook the chicken now. This is like super quick, super easy, so trust me, you guys are gonna love it. Alright y'all, so what I'm going to use is the Idaho 4 cheese mashed potatoes, and you can see I basically already have my water pretty much boiling. Sorry guys, I went to go get some scissors. So I'm going to pour it inside of the water, and basically now what you're going to do after you apply it in the water and stuff is you're just going to mix it up. I went to go get a spoon, and actually no, I went to get some milk, so I poured a little bit of milk in it just to give it more of like that buttery nice taste, as well as I felt like I could use a little bit more water, so I just added some more milk in it, and I'm gonna get ready to just mix it all together and have some yummy mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of butter inside of that mashed potato mixture, just so it tastes really flavorful and it gives it a really yummy taste. I don't really measure anything honestly, so I'll do everything by eye. So basically just put it according to how much butter you want. But oh my god y'all, when I tell you them potatoes were so damn good. So now I'm just gonna pour the mashed potatoes inside my aluminum pan and just pretty much spread it all out and get ready to start the whole process of making the bowl. So we just spreading out the mashed potatoes, and now I'm gonna go and get the gravy. It's just taking me forever to go get it. But I'm gonna go get the gravy, y'all. This is the gravy that I like to use. This is the turkey style one, and then I just basically pour it on top of that like so. So next you're just gonna pour some corn inside of the pan like so. I'm just gonna pour the corn right on top of it. I didn't even cook this corn honestly. I literally just poured the corn like right in the pan, and I'm gonna just mix it up with the gravy as you see. Alright y'all, so now you're gonna pour your chicken on top of your mashed potato and your gravy and your corn. So I just poured this chicken right on top of everything, and I'm going to get ready to basically just mix the chicken in and distribute it. So here y'all, I'm just going to show y'all the cheese that I'm using. I'm using my Colby Jack I don't know why I said Colby Jack, but Colby Jack cheese, and I'm going to spread it all over my casserole, I guess you could say, because this is technically a casserole. And now I'm just going to take some mozzarella that I have left over and pour it on top of it like so too. And you're basically going to get this all situated and kind of like mix it up to put your dish inside of the oven to cook. you guys are going to put this in your oven for about 15 minutes just so the cheese gets nice and melted like so. And then boom, baby, it is melted. It's nice and cheesy, gooey, and yummy. And dinner is a hit for everybody. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another one. See you later, mamas.